Have you got a relation you are particularly fond of?
Yes, my granddad. He's 94 years old, but generally he's as fit as a fiddle. We are very close and see each other a lot. Whenever he goes down with a cold or is under the weather, I make a point of visiting him.
Do you do any sport?
Yes, I'm keen on skateboarding, but I haven't done it for a while. I had a bad fall recently and pulled a muscle and had a few cuts and braces. But I'm on the mend and hope to be doing it again soon.
Is there anything you are particularly afraid of?
The dentist. I hate going to the dentist. I only ever go if I have a toothache. So it usually means I have to having a feeling or even have a tooth out. I really don't like it.
This is a tricky one, really, as I'm usually cute healthy. I've never been seriously like everyone else. Sometimes get a five as and pants or catch a cold. I can remember a 5 months ago I had to have time of work with a hiv hiv call. I had the usually symptoms. A blocked nose, sore throat is less cute will. About 2 weeks, I think though I didn't have that much time of work. For a 5 days, I remember feeling poorly, but I was over the worst of it after a 5 days and went back to work. I was feeling it's better to be active when you feel ill as it occurs. You're man of your symptoms. I think my family get a little fed up with me when I am talk. I tend to tell sorry for myself and lay on the sofa all this if met that door. But as I said earlier on this association, it was nothing seriously didn't it, and didn't really cause me any problem. What cause are involved when you are will in your country?
Well, people have to pay prescription charge, which can be quite expensive. But fortunately, general healthcare is free, unless you want to go private, of course, and then you can pay a fortune for your treatment.
In your experience, are people too quick to take time off work when they are ill?
Yes, I've got friends who have a day of work if they wake up with a runny nose. And in most cases, they seem to make a speedy recovery after they phone in sick.
Do women pay more attention to their health than men?
I think so, yes. Women are more likely to see their GP for a checkup if they're concerned about something. Men tend to avoid facing up to any health problems they have. My dad always seems to have a very chesty cough, but refuses to go to make an appointment to see the doctor. Definition: aches and pains is minor pains that continue over a period of time. To be a bit of color is to feel a little ill. To be a dead door is to be very ill indeed. To be an man is to be recovering after an illness. To be over the worst is to have got through the most serious or uncomfortable stage of an illness. To be under the weather is to not feel well. A blocked nose is when the nose has excess fluid due to a cold. To catch a cold is to get a cold. A checkup is a physical examination by a doctor. A chesty cough is a cough caused by congestions around the lungs. Cuts and bruises is minor injuries. To feel poorly is to feel ill. Acid as a fiddle is to be very healthy. To go down with a cold is to become ill. To go private is to choose to be treated by commercial healthcare rather than by service offered by the state. GP is general party practitioner. To have a feeling is to have a tooth repaired. To have a tooth out is to have a tooth removed. A heavy cold is a bad cold. To make an appointment is to arrange a time to see the doctor. To make a speedy recovery is to recover quickly from illness. To phone in sick is to call work to explain you won't be attending work due to illness. Prescription charge is money the patient pays for medicine authorized by a doctor. To pull a muscle is to strain a muscle. A runny nose is a nose that has liquid coming out of it. A sore throat is inflammation that causes pain when swallowing.